pushing the sand with flippers so small. I hear the ocean, I hear the call. Step by step, I'm almost there, feeling the salt in the cool night air. Splash into the big blue sea, the waves adjusting just for me. A giant world, a brand new start, with a brave and happy heart. Saying hello to a clownfish friend, swimming where the rainbows end. Through the seaweed, soft and green, the prettiest castle I've ever seen. Gliding high with a manta ray, chasing bubbles all through the day. I'm growing